Alright, get ready everybody. It's going to be a wild ride, incredible videos coming in from YouTubers just like you. We have permission to roll with them with the original links and what was discovered in Russia. But right now, let's get to this, all the way from Lake Erie of what looks to be a strange, massive metallic craft hovering over Lake Erie. What are we looking at? Take a look at this. Alright, let's zoom things up. Let's get a closer look at whatever Joe Day captured. The father and son were driving just off Lake Erie in Toledo, Ohio. The dad pulled over immediately and took video of what looks to be something not of this world, something massive. Father and son captured something that we can explain, or can you explain it to me? What are we looking at? We have Brent Cousins here. We're looking at the video, enhancing it, slowing things down. Is this some kind of mirage? Brent, what do you make of this? Like when I first saw this, mirage came into my mind, but I'm looking at it and there's other things that really stand out. There, I see a reflection underneath this massive object. It really stands out. This is great footage by father and son, and they had the right mind to pull over and capture this stunning image that we're looking at right here. Alright, some people might say that it might be some Navy submarine surfacing, doing some naval exercises in Lake Erie, but definitely it doesn't look like a submarine, and it actually looks like it's hovering above the surface of the lake there, the water. What is this? Is there an explanation? I want to know. Like, this really looks like clear evidence of a USO in action. Definitely underwater submerged object coming out of Lake Erie. Is there some kind of underwater base within the massive lake? Wow, this is incredible. We want to thank Joe Day for allowing us to use the video. Also, check out the original link. The original link is below, and it's quite amazing. What was captured by the family, father and son. Wow, it's incredible. It's mind-boggling. Now, let's get to this. Coming in very close, a few miles from Area 51 off the road, Johnny manages to capture something in the sky.
Is it? Hang on. What was it? UFO sighting. Of course, this is Nevada, because Area 51's nearby.
Alright, what did Johnny Anderson capture just off Spanish Springs, Nevada, just a couple hundred miles away from Area 51? We're going to do some enhancement. I tried to stabilize the video the best I could. It was a bit tricky. It's pretty shaky footage, but I managed to capture and stabilize this object. Whatever this object is, it's weird. We're going to zoom in. I want to get your opinions, people. What did Johnny Anderson capture? I'm doing the best to stabilize this footage, but wow, it gives up whatever shape and design of whatever this craft is. It's very peculiar that it's close to Area 51. Is this some kind of secret military testing of a Vimana or some kind of UFO test? Brett, what do you make of this? Like when we pull up this still, you're looking at clear evidence that this is not a blimp. It's not a hot air balloon. There's no basket, like you said. This is something that's very unknown to us. Johnny seems matter of fact the way he's capturing this, that he really seems confident that he knows this is unidentified. He knows that he needs to pull out his camera and capture this phenomenon, whatever's happening. I don't think it's one of ours, Blake. Definitely capturing a moment in time. Sometimes when you're driving, you see a UFO and the window of opportunity is very quick. Sometimes a matter of seconds. And I gotta give my hats off to Johnny for actually capturing something, even though we're had to do some extra work to kind of enhance and stabilize the video. He captured something that we can't explain. So again, I want to get your comments below, and Johnny Anderson's original link is in the description. Now let's get to this. More discoveries coming out of Russia. Did scientists from Russia discover an artifact by chance? They were performing analysis after the fall of a meteorite in Kaluga, the region, and they came across a mysterious object that resembles a modern-day screw. Scientists are shocked and they don't know what to make of this thing. Did it come from outer space, or is this screw proof of ancient civilizations that once visited Earth millions of years ago? Or is this just some kind of fossilized creature? This is coming in from Ian Ramos, and this is being reported. Wow, is this a fossil surrounding a screw, or... Some people might say that this is just a fossil surrounding a screw that was 2 centimeters long, but it was discovered in scientific expedition that was performed by a group called the Cosmopis Group, which is a scientific research group responsible for conducting UFO-related research. They initially went in search of remains of a meteorite that impacted the Kaluga region in Russia, but when they suddenly came across this screw, and incredibly, after paleontological analysis, it turned out that the age of the stone was somewhere between 300, and get this, 320 million years old. The artifact was analyzed using X-ray technology, which provided researchers with another shock. Allegedly, another screw was present inside of this. Now, what is this all about, people? Is this really big evidence right now coming out of Russia in regards to the existence of aliens once visiting planet Earth over 300 million years ago? Wow, this is something that you got to share with your friends, because it definitely looks like a screw. If it's a fossil, and people could say that it is, well, the scientists over there in Russia are shocked, as they said. They're pretty much agreeing that this is some type of a screw. Definitely not of this Earth. Brett, what do you make of this? If they have their dating down and their carbon dating proven to fact that this is actually 300 to 320 million years old, wow, this is smoking gun proof of existence long ago. And if this is proof, we need to share it to the world, and that's what we're doing right here at Third Phase. Absolutely, Brent. Get this information out to your friends, people. Everybody, keep your eyes on the skies. And if you captured anything incredible in regards to the UFO phenomenon happening right now, 24/7, submit it to us right here at Third Phase Moon. My Facebook is a great place to do it. The link is below, as well as my email in the description. You can contact me there. Everybody, be safe. Cousins, keep your eyes on the skies, everybody. We'll see you again next time.